University of St. LaSalle has strung together their first two-game winning streaks, and they do it in straight sets fashion against the FEU Lady Tamaraos. Michelle Datuin is with our Shakey's Player of the Game.
Yes, Noel, I am with our Shakey's Best Player of the Game, Cheryl June Danila, a.k.a. Beauty. Beauty, congratulations!
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Beauty, you made 14 points today. So, what inspired you? Or should I say, who inspired you today to do that?
Marami pong tao. Yung mga tao pong nagmamahal sa akin. Yung family ko po, yung team ko, tsaka yung mga kasama namin sa clinic na nandito ngayon. Nandun po sila. Tsaka po yung lahat po ng mga sumuporta sa amin. Hindi nag-give up sa amin.
And syempre, siguro may kinalaman din yung pagiging malambing ni Coach kahit na medyo down. And then, kapag nakabawi, grabe din siya mag-boost ng moral, ano?
Opo. Syempre po.
Okay, so you will not go away without our Shakey's D-League bag from our Shakey's representative. Yan, may mga gusto ko bang batiin or pasalamatan?
Opo. Marami pong salamat sa Diyos na firstly po. Tapos gusto ko pong pasalamatan yung family ko po sa Iloilo, sa Danila family po, tsaka po sa Hainga family, tsaka sa pamilya ko po sa Quezon City, kila Lola Suping, tsaka Tito Ben. Alam niyo po kung sino kayo, tsaka lahat ng pamilya ng teammates at coaches ko po, at sa lahat ng sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa team namin. Salamat po.
Again, congratulations. Yes, our Shakey's Best Player of the Game, Beauty Danila. Back to you, 7 Noel.
Thank you very much, Michelle Datuin, and of course Beauty Danila leading the charge. 2 straight wins for the University of St. LaSalle, and that'll do it for us right now. Stand by for our second match, Ateneo taking on San Sebastian, and we will be with you in just a short while right here on Active.